sensors work. Oh, they're just cheapy. I see a switch on there to like test, but I don't know how to turn this on. So like, it's got the sensor on there. So.